This is your crypto market update for those who are new to crypto and couldn't catch up this week. Let's start with price action. Crypto investors finally got much needed green therapy this week. Bitcoin broke past 100K for the 7th time. Meanwhile, Ethereum rallied hard, pumping 37% this week. And so did altcoins. While Bitcoin dominance hit an all-time high earlier this week before dropping to 61%, which triggered the altcoin run. Meanwhile, fear and greed index is at 75, spreading greed all over the market. If you ask me, this isn't the right time to buy. Now here's what made headlines this week. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF hits $1 billion in inflow. Also, it recorded one of the biggest single-day inflows, standing at $356 million. Institutions are no longer sitting on the sidelines. They are driving this Bitcoin rally. Bitcoin isn't a hype play anymore, it's the preferred asset. Ethereum launches Spectra upgrade, boosting its scalability. With this announcement, Ethereum soared 37% this week. It's been the best week for Ethereum since 2021. Whales are back, loading up on ETH like never before, and altcoins are following its lead. New Hampshire opens public funds to crypto. It became the first US state to allow up to 5% of its treasury to be invested in assets like Bitcoin. This shows growing regulatory acceptance and could set the stage for other US states to follow. Coinbase acquires crypto derivatives exchange Deribit for a massive $2.9 billion. There has been a huge spike in demand for derivatives trading lately, and this could lay a foundation for new players entering the space. So watch out for that. That's a wrap on this week's crypto news. And yes, the market is pumping, but let's not forget, it comes after brutal dips in the past month. Some altcoins lost 90% of their value. Not everyone is in profit. It's not what it seems. A 10 to 15% pump is nothing compared to 90% loss. So don't just FOMO in, have your emotions in check, and follow me